Hi, my name is Benjamin and you're watching Youth TV. Today we'll be looking at how to break the old traditional habit of marketing. Over the years we have come to realize that billboards and TV advertisement and all these print ads, brochures, somehow it's not as effective as it is when it was back then. So what is the game changer? In your opinion, what is the game changer that this traditional marketing is not really effective? Two things: the access to information and technology. Let's just look at this advert for example.
Why do you use Soup Starter?
When I can't schedule my traveling troupe.
Hi, Mom. Bye, Mom.
I cook up a pot of Soup Starter soup.
My bakery makes incredible bread. With Soup Starter soup, my whole family's well fed.
Soup Starter from Swift. Hearty homemade soup for dinner. Just add fresh meat and let it simmer.
Before I check my checkbook and coupons, I put a big pot of Soup Starter soup on.
Cook smarter with Soup Starter and new Stew Starter.
You see, from this advert we can see back then, this soup advertisement, we believe soup like this was alright to drink, and it was okay to sort of like for any occasion, on a hurry. But because of access to information right now, this kind of soup and we know that it is not as healthy as it seems or it portrays in its advertisement. We know there's not a certain chemical that's bad for your body, certain preservatives that is not good for your body. So we won't be brainwashed by this commercial. So how can brands break away from this traditional way of marketing? Well, for one, I believe that brands need to come clean about their products. Because like I said earlier, with the access to information at anywhere, at any time, we are able to review your products and we're able to tell about your product if it's good or bad. So if your brand is able to sell us a product which is legitimate, which is real, we'll definitely buy it. We'll definitely buy it, and when we like it, we'll definitely tell our friends about it. And I believe that when we tell our friends about it, that is your new way of spreading your brand out there. Okay, these are one of the many ways that brands are able to break the traditional way of traditional habit of marketing. Okay, so for any other information, please contact us. This is Benjamin Teo of Youth TV.